Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana. Right now, Solana, after testing the support of this rising wedge pattern, moving towards the resistance. And in today's analysis, we will take a look at this move and we will analyze whether is there any possibility for the breakout or is it going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Solana that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 3rd of August, few days back, almost 3 days, 5 days back. And this was a pattern that Solana formed with Bitcoin pair on the daily time frame, and therefore I will tell you the values in the Bitcoin. And by the way, Solana has also formed a very big harmonic Gartley pattern as well, and in some other video I will also share this video, this pattern with you as well. And I'm expecting up to or even more than 1000% move after when the price line will start its bullish reversal and mega bullish reversal move from this very big Gartley move that has been formed on the monthly time frame. However, I have shared the complete trade setup at the Patreon. You can also find there as well. Now let's take a look at this recent move that was on the daily time frame chart, and that was a very big cipher pattern. And you can see our buying was from 17,147 148 and goes to 0.001664, and sell targets goes to 17868 and goes to 18630 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that Solana has finally rallied very well and it has entered this sell zone. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and by the way, this is Solana with US dollar pair chart, then we can observe here that Solana is moving between two major support and resistance levels. The support over here is $37 and the resistance we have at $48. And previously here, this $48 has been working as a resistance for several weeks, and this $37 has been breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well when this candle was moved down here. And recently, after this big drop, you can see this $37 worked as a support again, and we had a nice pump. Again, the candlestick was moved up, and for a while we broke it down here, but we are again moved above this support of $37. And the next resistance is obviously here at $48. And recently you can see that we had two more rejections. And once Solana will be able to break it out, then you can see we don't have any major support or resistance between $48 to $75. Therefore, a quite imminent move can be expected once we will break out this resistance of $48, from $48 to $75. Then our next resistance will be $120, and it has been breaking as a support here, as a resistance here, and this $75 has been breaking as a support here. And after $120, our this final resistance will be here at $250. You can see that we had several touch points here, and after getting rejected, we had a big drop. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, then here Solana has formed a rising wedge pattern, and right now you can see it is getting bounced from the support and it is getting squeezed and more squeezed. And for example, if it will move more inside this pattern, then it can be also changed from rising wedge to the bullish pennant, and it can move in this pennant in this way, and finally it can break out or break down. You can see the movement is getting more and more squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down. Now, for example, if it will break down the pattern, then our target can be here to the downside. That will be approximately $27, and rising wedge pattern and bullish pennants can be are considered as a bearish reversal, and most of the times the price line breaks it down. But sometimes it is also possible that we may also break out, because right now the stochastic oscillator is moving up from the oversold zone on the weekly time frame chart, and previously we can see that it was turned bullish and entered the body from the oversold zone. It was just got out from the oversold zone. We had a nice short rally, but it was, if I place this measurement tool, then you can see it was almost 44%. Almost 44% or more than 40% rally. However, it was a very short rally, and before that it touched the oversouls on here back in July 2021, and that was a very huge rally. And before that, here in December 2020, when it was oversold and turned bullish, then we again had a very big rally. Therefore, right now you can see that it is moving up from the oversouls on, and again we can expect a big move. But once we will break out this resistance of $75, because this can be a key resistance to start a big move. Now, if we once again take a look at the target for this rising wedge pattern, if we will break out this rising wedge pattern, then after breaking out, we can expect a target here that will be approximately $65. And obviously, if it is going to move here at $65, then it is also going to break out this next key resistance of $48 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.